Good evening. This is Dr. Asim Maiti. My suggestions to the Indian government or central government strategy health policy at this COVID-19 situations. As you know, India is the third world country. This part of the world amidst is at the midst of second and third wave of coronavirus. Just coronavirus has smashed India to maximum possible extent, reaching India the second position, second highest position of incidence and mortality and morbidity after America and Brazil. So, at this situation, what Indian government to do? Lockdown is not the ultimate procedure, is not the ultimate stage of protections or ultimate steps of protections from any sort of pandemic situations. Actually, in the first wave, there was no other way than because the virus was newly set, and all on a sudden there was explosions at different parts of India, including Mumbai, Kerala, etc., Delhi, etc. There was no alternative choice. But in country like India, where publics living under the poverty level, 60 to 80% of population is financially smashed. So in this crucial juncture, what the Indian government is to just to fix strategy about the vaccinations of the uh, uh, children by this COVID-19 virus, anti-COVID virus vaccines. Our strategy should be first of all target the 70 to 80% of our populations by at least single dose of COVID-19 virus, and until there is 26 crores of people only vaccinated by COVID anti-COVID vaccines. So uh, the state government, that is West Bengal, has just maintaining the lockdown for last 1 month, and they have already extended for another 50 days till 30th June. But that is not the final solution. The actually financial constraints and the the financial situations of total India total is very bad and grave conditions. Those who are earning day to day, Porijayi Shramik, etc., they are gone down to what needs to be the actually there should be gradual relaxation of the transport for another 1 to 2 months. There should be gradual relaxation, but some sort of restriction should be in the transport, because transport is the main way of scattering the infections until another 30 to 40% is being vaccinated by COVID-19 virus vaccine. So the state government and the Indian government, the central government should take an immediate urgent steps to vaccinate and to avail vaccine for all age groups, including 18 to 45, 45 to 60, and more than 60 years. Those who have taken the first dose, they needs the second dose, and also those who have not taken not a single dose, they should at least take a single dose of vaccines in another month or two. So by September, at least 40 to 60% of our Indian population should be vaccinated by hook and crook. And the actually the lockdown should be the last weapon of protections, but India using this as the first line of protection, which is very unfortunate. While as you know, there is an English there is an word that is proverb. There is a proverb in the English. there strike the iron while it is hot, মানে ঝোঁক বুঝে কোপ মারো, মানে whenever there is uncontrollable situations or there is massive explosions of COVID-19 virus in any particular states or endemicity of the particular state is reached the irresistible level, and the incomplete setup and inadequate setup for the serious patients is not available, there then and only uh, lockdown should be come into play, and lockdown should be declared immediately. And any sort of lockdown shouldn't be extend more than 1 month, ideally 15 to 20 days with gradual relaxations, because already 70 to 80% of our Indian populations already acquired some immunity, and just I am telling, uh, um, too much restrictions of the people in lockdown will not be benefited in future, because more exposure to infections will increase, more antibody titer to grow. Though the second wave has already smashed in young population, so we are apprehending of. So at the midst of second and third wave, we should, being a doctor of the community, I can tell gradually relaxations of the lockdown should be done from the from 1st July onwards, and rapidly revive the financial constraints and status, because it is too late and enough is enough. The public should work to do, and they should stand by their own feet and stand aside along with the family for earning money, because nobody will come into rescue, including the state and central government. That's nothing but the half-hearted consolations or partial consolations from the respective central and the state government for relief and for helping the people in distress, the destitute peoples, and those who have lost their jobs and lost their houses, lost their shelters, and penniless, moneyless, or thus they are going to be foodless and going to die of hunger cry and also financial crisis. So I think the lockdown shouldn't be the first line of open, that should be the last line of open. Our aim is to vaccinate maximum number of people as far as practicable and as quick as possible by at least single dose of any strains like Covishield, Covaxin, or Sputnik V, etc., or any vaccines recommended by WHO and ICMR. So this should be the strategy, and repeated lockdown will just match the general public financial status, and in the long run, the national GDP and everything will go down to worse and worse. It is the price. There is massive hikes of price of the essential commodities, including all sorts of oils and all sorts of day-to-day essential commodities has increased to massive extent. So the central government, the state government, and along with the those who are in the public relations should caution the public to use mask, personal sanitation, and the transport process should be gradually, but as early as possible should be improved, and the transport process should be open up for the earning money. This is intense importance, and it is as important as the vaccine at this financial constraints. Everybody, lower middle class, and the poor, everybody are suffering severely financial constraints, and there is no hope. Public are going into depression day by day, and also there is massive stress going on after repeated lockdown. So the central government and the state governments only work we are intending just to avail the vaccines and freely give the at least single or double doses of anti-COVID vaccines, and let the people work to do and come out of their house, and not only relaxation but total withdrawal of lockdown should be done as early as possible, and by that time the public will gain the herd immunity by repeated exposure to infections, and active and passive antibody will be formed by repeated natural infections and vaccine as well. This is the main thing I like to concentrate and highlight. Have a nice day and good night, and wishing you all good health. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.